Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Nihal's Lab Notes. In this video, we are going to create a dashboard with Tableau. First, let's get started with side-by-side bars. Side-by-side bars is similar to a stacked bar chart, except it puts bars side by side instead of stacking them. So let's drag and drop cells into rows and drag and drop profits into rows also. Then put subcategory into columns and choose here in the show me section side by side bars. And as you see here, Tableau is very intelligent. He puts measure names into filters and sum of profits, sum of sales into measure values, and add measure names as color. You can see here that he also changed the columns and the rows. So he put subcategory and measure names to columns and measure values into rows. In this side-by-side bar, you can see that the blue one is for profits and the orange one is for sales. You can select color here and edit colors, change sales colors to purple. And here's the results. You can also change the color of profits. Edit colors and select here profits and change it with apply and OK. So as you see here, I've already changed the color, and here in this part we have a legend of measures name, profits and sales. Now I'm going to put name for this sheet, side by side bar. Then in this new sheet, I'm going to use the clustering algorithm here. So to do this, first of all, I'm going to create a very simple scatter plot. So first of all, let's put cells into columns and profits into rows, then subcategory into color and city into detail. And as you see here, Tableau automatic choose a scatter plot for this interpretation. So now go to analytics pane here, and here in the model section you can see cluster, choose cluster and put it here. So here you can see number of clusters. You can select as you wish a number, or you can just don't select. And as you see here, Tableau choose two cluster. Here's the first cluster and here's the second cluster. As you see, we have just two cluster. Or you can just go here for cluster and select edit clusters here, and instead of automatic, just select free. And here's the results. We have three clusters. So the first cluster is with blue, the second cluster is with orange, and for the third cluster is with green. For people who don't know what is the clustering model, so I can say that the clustering models allow you to categorize records into a certain number of clusters, and this cannot help you identify natural groups in your data. So clustering models focus on identifying groups of similar records and labeling the records according to the group to which they belong. Tableau uses the k-means clustering algorithm with a variance-based partitioning method that ensures consistency between runs. For people who don't know how the k-means work, so I can just say don't worry, because I put inshallah a new videos about the data analyst algorithms as k-means, PCA and many others algorithms. Now let's see how to create tree maps here. So tree maps display hierarchical tree structure data as a set of nested rectangles. Let's create now a tree map. So a new sheet here. First of all, let's put some of cells into size and category into color, then subcategory into label. Here we have a legend of category, and the category we have furniture, office supplies, and technology. So for furniture with blue, we have chairs, tables, bookcases, furnishings. And with technology with red, we have phones, machines, accessories, and copiers. And for office supplies with orange, we have storage, vendors, appliances, papers, art, supplies, labels, and envelopes, then fasteners. Now let's create a highlight table like this. So a new sheet here. Then to create it, let's drag and drop category to rows and subcategories also to rows. Then sum of the profit to color and sum of the profit to label. And here, as you see here, a highlighted table. You can sort it with descending by sum of profit within subcategory here, as you see. It's visible like this. Now let's create a simple dashboard here. Click to size and change to automatic. Then go to floating. Before go to floating, come back to tilt and choose horizontal container or vertical container. I'm going to use horizontal container, put it here. Then go to floating and choose an image here, put it here. Choose an image file here. And here's the image. I'm going just to resize it. I think it's okay. It's okay. So drag and drop side by side bar here. Then the cluster here. Also the tree map here. Then the highlighted table here. Now I'm going just to update this. Titles, put into centers and apply and OK. Go to light pane here, then choose a background as black. Do the same thing for all of this. Apply, then click OK. Go to the light here and choose black. Now let's select this and change the background to white. Select this and put it here. Also this, choose white background for this also. Choose a white background here. then come back to dashboard and show dashboard title. You can change it here, name it by Tableau dashboard. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this video informative. And if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our future content. Your support means the world to us, and subscribing is the best way to stay up to date with all the latest video we have in store for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends who may also find it useful. So leave your thoughts and comments down below. Let's keep the conversation going.